Let me give you a very simple way to look at magnesium deficiency. Hello, I'm Dr. Carolyn Dean. Dr. Jayme Workinger in 2018 wrote a paper on the challenges in the diagnosis of magnesium status. She began with the statement that magnesium is a critical mineral in the human body and is involved in 80% of known metabolic functions. That's when I did the math. I found that there are 1,340 metabolic enzymes that make chemical reactions occur in the body. 80% of that number is 1,000. So perhaps magnesium is involved or responsible for close to 1,000 enzyme functions in the body, not the 300 that most people quote. That's huge and important and vital, and not enough people know about this. So what's happening in the body when 80% of metabolic functions are limping along using drug crutches instead of magnesium? Here's what happens. Magnesium affects every part of the body, but the two main tissues that magnesium influences are muscles and nerves. Magnesium is the gatekeeper of cell mineral ion channels that gauge the amount of calcium that goes into a cell to create a muscle cell movement or a nerve cell activity. Then magnesium pushes the calcium back out. If you don't have sufficient magnesium, the cells just spasm or vibrate to their death. With all our muscles and nerves requiring adequate magnesium, that means our 600 muscles and 45 miles of nerves in the body are all at risk and can react to magnesium deficiency with twitches and cramps and spasms or numbness, tingling, or pain. Another major symptom of magnesium deficiency is fatigue. Magnesium is necessary for the priming of the Krebs cycle and affects several steps in the production of ATP energy. It's so important that researchers call the energy molecule ATP-Mg. Mg is the chemical symbol for magnesium. That's another huge function of magnesium, because fatigue is the number one complaint that patients tell their doctors. If you consider that all your muscles and all your nerves and your energy can be impacted by magnesium deficiency, you can imagine how your body is going to feel. Remember, the heart is one big muscle. The blood vessels from the kidneys to the scalp are lined with smooth muscle. The bronchial tubes are also lined with smooth muscle. So you consider then what happens when all these muscles go into spasm. What do I recommend? Take picometer stabilized ions of magnesium throughout the day to make your metabolic enzymes happy and to make you healthy.